Hello everyone, this is Zach here from TradeBSA. So just want to do a quick sharing on crypto market based on volume spread analysis. Okay, so just now in the morning, I do have a video. Okay, I think I do share about XRP and Ethereum, if I'm not mistaken. That in the hourly chart, it seems that it turns to the red pentagons. Okay, but daily chart is still holding on the green pentagon. Okay, so for those that who don't know, so green pentagon here is actually representing the bullish momentum signals. So potentially they will hit certain resistance, or probably they will have a follow through on the uptrend. And do remember, okay, so the green pentagon here have to be in the right place, okay, which is means that they have to above the 2040s moving average, okay, to ensure the trend everything is good with the right setups, okay. Now similar one for the red pentagons. If let's say red pentagons is still above 2040, this is like a sideways or a pullback, okay. So unlike the previous one, if you notice, somewhere from here, red pentagons below 2040, there will be a huge downtrend, okay, where the green pentagon below 2040, usually it doesn't go on to follow through unless they successfully break above. Okay, now just now in the afternoon, we do see that the hourly chart do break below the 2040s, and we do expect some sort of like a pullback, a follow on the pullbacks in the daily chart, but it doesn't really happen. And subsequently, currently it actually crossing back. Okay, now let's focus back to the hourly charts right now. So if you notice that the hourly charts from here, red pentagon is still holding very well, and it breaks below. So at the times, we have a UT over here, which is uptrust. Most of the time, it will form an inverse pullback. But luckily, the green pentagon is turning back with a pretty good volume. You can say that's okay. So usually, green pentagon high volume representing there's a chance for them to continue in their uptrend. So if you look into here previously, right, here when it break below, successfully cross, this is the area that we're looking for. So hopefully we will see some sort of like a nice pullback again. So remember, just now we talked about the red pentagons. Okay, doesn't mean that all red pentagon it will break below, but sometimes it will make a pullback, okay, followed by another green pentagon above 2040s. So at the moment, seems like the market decided to continue the uptrend again. So this is a quick one for BTC. So I think XRP also doing the same things. Okay, the charts, everything is kind of like similar over here. So we do have a nice green pentagons. Okay, after some a weakening in the hourly charts there. Okay, volume is pretty huge. Okay, if you notice the uptrust also come with very high volume. Okay, on the previous hours. So hopefully they will make a nice pullback. Okay, holding on 2040s. So for some masterclass student, you can actually look into is there any potential COC will form the areas or not. Now, last one before we go, I think Ethereum also moving the same direction. Okay, this is more cleaner. Okay, because it doesn't come with a uptrust. Okay, and it's still kind of close with the 20 at the moment. Okay, sorry, the 2040 at the moment. The trend overall still good. With the green pentagon in the background. Okay, so the seems like the hour chart make a small pullback with a bigger wash. Okay, over there. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, hopefully you close nicely. Okay, in terms of the hourly or daily chart. So for those that who are looking for short terms, probably want to monitor against there any pullbacks or not. Now, definitely the green pen is back already. Okay, in hourly chart for those that who looking for short terms. So well, let's see how it goes, and I will give an update soon. Okay, if let's say there's any changes in terms of the charts.